Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to update Grok app. So if you also want to update Grok app, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So updating the Grok application is very important for smoother performance and enhanced features. So if you also want to update it, what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. So what you have to do is tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Grok. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Simply tap on the application Grok. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to find two options, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option you'll be able to find the option for update. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Once your application has been updated, you'll be able to find the open option over here. That means your application has been updated and you're using the latest version of the application. So like this, you'll be able to update Grok app. So that is how you update Grok app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.